Assalamualaikum. My name is Saida Krishna and this is my first semester. I'm a student of BS Psychology and my course is about Pakistan Studies, in which we are talking about the establishment and other things that happened in the history of Pakistan, but we are right now discussing about the government. And while we were learning about the government, there were a few topics that were outlined. So we are going to talk about the monarchy system. That monarchy is the most common rule that was formed in the government. It is a very historical rule. It was an ancient rule. It is based on ancient rule mostly, that where the government was authority was given to the kings and the queens and the family, and the rule was passed on to the families and the other people that were included in the rule. It was mostly based on the blood. The relation was mostly blood based, and it consists of two types of monarchy consists of two types, that is constitutional monarchy and absolute monarchy. In constitutional monarchy, Queen Elizabeth was the figure, and in absolute monarchy, Victorian city came into it because of the monarchy system. It consists that they were the sovereigns of the rule of monarchy.